Hi guys, Amazing Bijoma. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to insert text and style it, the different ways that you can style text on Canva. Thank you. Having discussed in the previous video how to insert elements like shapes, icons, and pictures that we use in our designs, today I'll be continuing from text. To insert text in your design, click on this text, the T. When you click on the text, you can choose this to add a text box and then type in your text. This to add a heading. This for a subheading. And this for the body. You can as well choose from any of these templates on Canva, edit it and use in your design. For instance, if I want to use this, I can insert it on my page, edit it. I can edit it, resize it, and put it where I want. After you must have inserted your text, to explore different features in text styling. For instance, let me style this birthday wish. I can just go to Elements, select any shape of my choice, expand it. To style this text, the first thing I will see in text styling is font. Font allows me to select how the write-up on my design will appear. I can just choose any of these fonts. Let me choose Gracia Indifferent. When I must have chosen it, next thing is text style. Whether you want it to be a heading, a subheading, or the body, you can select any of them. The next one, font size. In font size, you can type in the size that you want yourself. If I want 10.5, I will just go there, type 10.5. And then you can use this arrow. When you are increasing, the font size is increasing. If you are going forward, it is increasing. When you are going backward, your font size is decreasing. You can as well increase the size by holding the edge when the text has been highlighted. Hold the edge and just drag it to increase it, or it decrease it. The next one is font color. You can change the color to whatever you want. I can as well use the color wheel and select whatever color I want. If the color I want to use in my design does not appear, is not there. If I just drag this thing, you will notice the color is changing. Then you can as well bring it here. Anything you want, you can achieve it there. In format, the first one there, to bold, to put it in italics, to underline the text, strike through. This one is either maybe you typed a text, you wanted the text to be in all cap, and you typed in a lowercase. You can just click here. When you click here, it will change to either all cap or lowercase, as the case may be. These ones are alignments. Side, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify. This is bullet, and this is numbering. Spacing allows you to adjust the spaces between your text. For letter spacing, when you are increasing it, When you are going forward, the spaces between the letters are increasing. When you are going backwards, it is decreasing. For line spacing, when you are going forward, the spaces between the lines are increasing. When you are going backward, the spaces are decreasing. You just adjust it the way you want it. For effects, I can decide to give the text any effect of my choice, like giving it shadow. You will double click for you to give and adjust the shadow. You can change the shadow color. Transparency, lift it. Halo, you can give it an outline and then double click on it to increase the thickness and change the outline color. You can as well give background color to your text. Under effects, you can still change the text shape. For example, this Excel, let me change the shape to circle. When I click on that shape, I will now decide how I want the text to curve. If I want it to, once I'm dragging this, you will notice that it's changing. For animation, it is normally used in preparing presentations to show how the text comes in when you click on the next page. If I click this, these are different effects, different ways. These are different animations you can select. And transparency is used to show transparency, make the text either faint or bold. If I want to make this text transparent, I will just go to that transparency and decrease it. I can just make it faint and just drag it to the background. Layer allows you is just a way to highlight. When you click on layer, you will see different things, different tools, text, shapes, everything used in your design. You can just click any of those things to highlight. Once you click on it, it will be highlighted on your page. That's what you do, what layer allows us to do. Then in this overlapping, I can decide to. You will notice that happy was written before, appears before this pentagon shape. I can decide to drag the pentagon forward. If I drag it forward, you will see on the page that the pentagon has just blocked the happy. You are no longer seeing the happy. It has sent it inside. If I drag it back there again, it will come up again. That is the function of this place. Positioning is also another way to either drag the text or the shape or the elements either forward or backwards. If I'm clicking this thing, if I click go to the back, it will send it to the back. If I click forward, it comes forward again. In align it either on top of the page, middle of the page, bottom, left, center, as the case may be. Nudge is used for movement. Maybe I made a busy design and I want to move a particular item, like this thing I just highlighted now. I want to move it and I'm not getting exactly what I want. I'll just go to the nudge. If I'm clicking on arrow left, it will just be moving to the left. Arrow up, it will be moving upwards. Arrow down, it will be moving downwards. Arrow right, it will be moving to the right. That is the function of nudge in text. If you stayed this far, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share to as many people as you can. See you in my next video as I teach you how to insert and edit pictures.